Friends, it happens many times that if we want to gift something and we do not found a proper gift box to pack the gift, and in a hurry we just wrap the gift with the gifting paper. So in today's video I am going to tell you how to make handmade gift box. So let's get started. Hello everybody, you are all welcome to my channel juhisjunction. यहाँ पर सब मिलेगा. So friends, here I have taken a full size newspaper and I will cut it into half. Now from this half newspaper I will take out a square shaped paper. Now we will divide this square paper with the help of a ruler in 3 equal parts horizontally as well as vertically. We will mark 2 points at equal distances. So now here you can see we have got 9 squares and we will make a cross on the 4 corner squares, and thus we will cut these 4 corner squares. So here you can see we got a template to make a box. So with the help of this template we are going to build a gift box. So now I have taken a cardboard of this much thickness and I will cut out a shape with the help of this template for making box. So here we have cut out a desired shape from the cardboard with the help of a template to make a box. Now we are going to make a partial cut on the arms of this shape with the help of a knife or a cutter. And by holding very carefully, we will fold that arm from the cut area so that it will stand vertically. For other 3 arms, I will repeat the same procedure. Now here I am going to use masking tape. You will get this tape easily in any hardware or stationery store. I will seal all the ends and corners of the box with the help of this tape. So now you can see I have sealed all the open corners and ends of this cardboard box. Now the box is almost ready. Now for making the cover of the box, I have taken the same template. I will mark the point at a distance of 1 inch for making the sides of the cover. Now I will cut this remaining extra portion. So here we got the template to make the cover of the box. Now on the cardboard we will cut out the same shape. Now we will follow the same procedure as previously we followed to make the box. So you can see the box is almost completed. Now let's decorate the box. So here I have taken Fevicryl acrylic white number 27, and with this white color I will color the box. Hey friends, you can see I have colored the whole box. The masking tape is also colored with white color. Now it is not at all visible. In the same way I have colored the cover of the box. Now here I have taken glitter tape. With the help of this glitter tape, I will make borders of the box. You can use any color glitter tape of your own choice. See friends, how beautiful it is looking now. I have covered all the corners and borders of this box with the glitter tape, as well as the same thing I have done with the cover of this box. How beautiful both are looking now. Now it's time to play with some colors. So here I have selected few colors of my choice. Here I am drawing some random circular pattern design using different colors. You can use colors of your own choice. Now to add more depth to the design, here I am drawing dotted boundary to each circle with black color. Wow friends, this random circular pattern is looking very beautiful with white background. You can use any pattern of your own choice. Same thing I followed with the cover of the box. Now finally I have used Fevicryl Mod Podge over this product to give a finished and glossy look. To give more decorative look, I used artificial flowers over the cover of the box. Now it's time to pack the gift. Yay! Our handmade gift box is ready, friends. So friends, in this video, I hope you really enjoyed making the handmade gift box. And I know you will definitely try this at home next time whenever you are gifting some gift to your friends or near and dear ones. So dear audience, please do like, share and comment on this video. And for more interesting videos, do subscribe to Juhisjunction and press bell icon. Till then, bye bye.